Exploring life of penguins. Welcome to the icy wonderland of Antarctica, home to one of nature's most fascinating creatures, the penguin. Today we'll go on board on an extraordinary journey to explore the life of penguin. Penguins are flightless birds primarily found in the southern hemisphere, with the largest concentrations in Antarctica. There are 18 species of penguins, ranging from the large emperor penguin to the tiny little blue penguin. Each species has unique characteristics and adaptations to survive in some of the harshest climates on Earth. Once paired, penguins set about building their nests. Depending on the species, nests can range from simple scrapes in the sand to elaborate constructions of stones and vegetation. The choice of nesting site is crucial for protecting the eggs from predators and harsh weather conditions. After nest construction, the female penguin lays her eggs. Most penguin species lay 2 eggs, though emperor and king penguins typically lay only 1. The egg-laying process is delicate and the parents take great care to ensure the eggs are safely placed in the nest. The incubation period is a critical time for penguins. Both parents share the responsibility of keeping the eggs warm, often taking turns so that one can feed while the other stays with the eggs. The length of the incubation period varies by species, ranging from about 30 to 65 days. Incubating eggs in the wild is fraught with challenges. Penguins face extreme weather conditions, including freezing temperatures and fierce winds. Predators such as skuas and giant petrels pose a constant threat, especially to unattended eggs. After weeks of diligent incubation, the hatching process begins. The chick inside the egg uses a specialized egg tooth to break through the shell. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. The first cracks appear, and with persistent effort, the chick finally emerges into the world. The first moments of a chick's life are critical. Weak and vulnerable, the chick relies entirely on its parents for warmth and protection. The bond between the chick and its parents is immediately strong, with the parents often vocalizing to reassure their new offspring. Feeding the chick is a constant task for the parents. Penguin parents regurgitate partially digested food to feed their young. This nutrient-rich diet is crucial for the chick's rapid growth and development during the early stages of life. As the days pass, the chick grows stronger and more active. Penguin chicks are voracious eaters, demanding frequent feedings. Their fluffy down feathers provide insulation against the cold, but they remain dependent on their parents for warmth and safety. In many penguin species, sibling rivalry is intense. The stronger chick often outcompetes the weaker for food, leading to a higher survival rate for the fittest. This harsh reality ensures that only the strongest and most resilient chicks survive to adulthood. Visuals: older chicks forming creches, group interactions. As they grow, penguin chicks start to gain independence. They often form creches, groups of young penguins, which provide mutual warmth and protection while their parents are away foraging. This social structure is essential for their development and survival. The ultimate test of a young penguin's readiness for independence is its first swim. Initially hesitant, the chicks must overcome their fears and take the plunge into the ocean. Here, they learn to swim and fish, essential skills for their future survival. The journey of a penguin from egg to independent adult is a testament to the resilience and dedication of these remarkable birds. Through challenges and triumphs, penguins continue to thrive in their icy habitats, ensuring that future generations will continue the cycle of life in this frozen world. Visuals: breathtaking Antarctic scenery, colony of penguins. These captivating birds are not just icons of the icy wilderness, but also remarkable survivors of some of the harshest environments on Earth. Penguins are having roughly 18 species, each with unique characteristics and habitats. We start with the emperor penguin, the largest of all penguin species. Standing nearly 4 feet tall, these majestic birds are icons of the Antarctic. Emperors endure the harshest conditions, huddling together for warmth during the brutal winter months. Next, we have the king penguin, the second largest species. Found on sub-Antarctic islands like South Georgia, kings are known for their striking orange plumage. They feed on fish and squid, traveling great distances to find food for their chicks. Adelie penguins are quintessential Antarctic inhabitants, easily recognizable by their classic black and white coloring and white eye-ring. They build nests from stones and have a diet rich in krill. Adelies are incredibly social, often seen in large, bustling colonies. Chinstrap penguins, named for the distinctive black band under their heads, are among the most numerous penguin species. Found on islands around Antarctica, they thrive in rocky, icy environments. Chinstraps are agile climbers, adept at navigating steep cliffs. Visuals: Gentoo penguins in the Falkland Islands swimming and nesting. Gentoo penguins are the fastest swimmers among their peers, reaching speeds of up to 36 km/h, 22 mph. They are easily identified by the wide white stripe extending across their heads. Gentoos inhabit the Falkland Islands and sub-Antarctic regions, favoring sandy or grassy nesting sites. Rockhopper penguins are known for their distinctive crests of spiky feathers and bright red eyes. They live on rocky, windswept islands and are named for their unique method of getting around, hopping from rock to rock. Rockhoppers are divided into 3 subspecies: northern, southern and eastern. The macaroni penguin, with its flamboyant yellow crest, is one of the most numerous penguin species. These birds are found on sub-Antarctic islands and the Antarctic Peninsula. Macaronis are social creatures, often forming large colonies on rocky cliffs and slopes. Closely related to macaronis, royal penguins also sport a yellow crest but have a predominantly white face. They breed exclusively on Macquarie Island in the Southern Ocean. Royals share many behaviors with their macaroni relatives, including their preference for densely packed colonies. Fjordland penguins, or tawaki, are native to the rainforested coastlines of New Zealand's South Island. They have striking yellow eyebrows and a more reclusive nature compared to other penguins. Fjordlands nest in dense forests, using natural cover to protect their young. The Snares penguin, with its bright yellow crest, is found exclusively on the Snares Islands south of New Zealand. These penguins prefer dense shrubby forests and nest in large colonies. Snares penguins are notable for their strong territorial behavior during the breeding season. Erect-crested penguins are one of the least studied due to their remote habitat on the Bounty and Antipodes Islands. They have a unique way of raising their yellow crests when excited or agitated. These penguins nest on rocky shores, often in large, noisy colonies. The little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, is the smallest penguin species. Found along the coasts of Australia and New Zealand, these tiny birds are known for their slate-blue plumage. Little blues nest in burrows and often venture ashore at night. Visuals: white-flippered penguins on Banks Peninsula, New Zealand. A close relative of the little blue penguin, the white-flippered penguin is found only on New Zealand's Banks Peninsula and Motunau Island. These penguins are distinguished by the white markings on their flippers. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this vulnerable species. Yellow-eyed penguins, or hoi-ho, are one of the rarest penguin species. They are easily recognizable by their pale yellow eyes and band of yellow feathers around their heads. Unlike most penguins, yellow-eyed penguins prefer solitary nesting sites in coastal forests and scrublands. The African penguin, also known as the jackass penguin for its distinctive braying call, is found along the southwestern coast of Africa. These penguins nest in burrows or under rocks to avoid the harsh sun. Their population is declining due to overfishing and oil spills. Magellanic penguins are native to the southern coasts of South America, particularly Argentina and Chile. They are known for their migratory behavior, traveling long distances between breeding and feeding grounds. Magellanics nest in burrows, often digging into the sandy soil. Humboldt penguins inhabit the coastal regions of Peru and Chile, relying on the cold Humboldt Current for their food supply. They nest in rocky crevices or burrows in guano deposits. The population of Humboldt penguins is threatened by climate change and human activities. Finally, the Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species found north of the equator. These small penguins live on the Galapagos Islands, using the cool waters of the Humboldt and Cromwell currents to survive in the tropical climate. Their population is vulnerable due to environmental changes and human impact. Penguins are a remarkable group of birds, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. From the icy shores of Antarctica to the temperate beaches of South Africa, these resilient creatures continue to captivate our hearts. By understanding and protecting their habitats, we ensure that future generations can enjoy the wonder of penguins. Penguins have many different habitats. Penguins are primarily found in the southern hemisphere, from the frozen expanses of Antarctica to the temperate shores of South Africa and New Zealand. Their habitats are as varied as the species themselves, each uniquely adapted to its environment. Let's begin with Antarctica. Antarctica is home to several species of penguins, including the Emperor and Adelie penguins. This frozen continent offers a stark and extreme environment where temperatures can plummet to 60 C, 76 EF. Despite these conditions, penguins thrive here. Their adaptations, such as a thick layer of blubber and dense feathers, provide insulation against the cold. Emperor penguins are renowned for their huddling behavior, where thousands gather closely to conserve heat during the brutal winter months. This communal living is essential for their survival, as it reduces exposure to the icy winds and keeps them warm. Moving north from Antarctica, we encounter the subantarctic islands, including South Georgia and the Falkland Islands. These islands host a variety of penguin species such as king, gentoo, and macaroni penguins. The climate here is milder, with abundant food sources like krill and fish. King penguins, the second largest penguin species, prefer the grassy and rocky beaches of South Georgia. These islands provide a more temperate climate, which, combined with the nutrient-rich waters, creates an ideal breeding ground for these magnificent birds. Penguins are not confined to cold climates. Some species inhabit temperate and even tropical regions. In South Africa, you'll find the African penguin, also known as the jackass penguin for its braying call. These birds thrive on the sunny beaches and rocky coastlines. African penguins are uniquely adapted to their warmer environment. They nest in burrows and under rocks to escape the heat and predators. The nutrient-rich Benguela current provides an ample supply of fish, supporting large colonies. In the Galapagos Islands, the Galapagos penguin stands as a testament to penguin adaptability. This species lives near the equator, utilizing the cool waters of the Humboldt and Cromwell currents to find food and stay cool. Penguins are exceptional swimmers, spending much of their lives at sea. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers make them adept hunters in the ocean. The marine environment is crucial to their survival, providing the primary food sources such as fish, squid and krill. Gentoo penguins are the fastest underwater swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 36 km/h, 22 up. Their agility in the water helps them evade predators and catch prey efficiently. Penguin nesting sites vary significantly depending on the species and habitat. Some, like the emperor penguins, breed directly on the ice, while others, like the Magellanic penguins, dig burrows in the sandy soil of South American coasts. Magellanic penguins nest in burrows or under bushes, creating a safe environment for their eggs and chicks. These burrows provide protection from predators and extreme weather. Rockhopper penguins choose rugged, rocky cliffs for their nests. Their name comes from their unique method of getting around, hopping from rock to rock with incredible agility. Penguins face numerous environmental challenges, from climate change to human activities. Rising temperatures and melting ice impact food availability and breeding grounds, especially for species like the emperor and Adelie penguins. Human activities such as oil spills pose significant threats to penguin populations. African penguins have been particularly affected by oil pollution, which damages their feathers and reduces their ability to stay warm and buoyant. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide to protect penguin habitats and ensure their survival. Organizations are working to mitigate the effects of climate change, reduce pollution, and establish marine protected areas. Rehabilitation centers play a crucial role in rescuing and caring for injured or oiled penguins. These centers provide medical treatment and a safe environment for recovery before releasing the birds back into the wild. Penguins are vital components of their ecosystems. As both predators and prey, they help maintain the balance in marine environments. Their presence indicates healthy oceans, as they rely on abundant fish and krill populations to thrive. By studying penguins and their habitats, scientists gain valuable insights into the health of our oceans and the impacts of environmental changes. Protecting penguins means protecting the broader marine ecosystem. From the icy expanses of Antarctica to the warm shores of the Galapagos, penguins have adapted to a diverse range of habitats. Their survival is a testament to their resilience and the intricate balance of nature. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating birds, we are reminded of the importance of preserving their habitats for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of penguins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wildlife adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our natural world.